Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mislav from the other side of the screen, and we are going to talk about the password command, and it is actually spelled passwd. So the password command can be used to change your or other users' passwords. You can just type in passwd and type in enter, and you will be asked to change your password. First, you'll have to provide your current password, and then you will have to enter your new password. Now, if you are the super user, you can change the password of another user by typing in his or her username as the argument. So for example, if I was the super user and I wanted to change user one's password, I would do it like this. Okay, so this is pretty much it for this tutorial. This is how you can change passwords. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Talk soon.